Hey guys, what's up? Dark Owl here. We're gonna go to Friday Night Lights. Not the last video, but the video before that, I was actually talking about Friday Night Lights. Didn't get a chance to go, didn't really stop by through there. Or I did, but I didn't get any footage, I think because my GoPro battery died. But I got a new GoPro, decided to upgrade, so we're just gonna go ahead and check it out. We're gonna cruise around, see if we can see any cars that are just getting there. It started about an hour ago, but most people get off work a little bit later, so it's only been an hour. So let's go ahead and see what it looks like. It's pretty damn packed, so I gotta find a spot. All the off-road vehicles. Bunch of bikes. I should have rode my bike. Oh, there's like a ton of bikes. It actually, the battery lasts a lot longer. I don't even know what I'm filming in. Dude, it's so sick. On mine now, I gotta be careful. It was a pain in the ass because it sandwiches between the stock bumper and then the stock.
I know on Nice. I thought you left me.
No, I tried to answer and I thought I was connected. I'm connected.
I heard like the road noise.
Oh, really? Oh, okay. You're like, yeah. Here, let me get gas real quick. Are you gonna get rid of yours?
Huh?
Are you gonna get rid of it?
Can't hear you.
Are you gonna get rid of it?
I don't know. We'll see. Got rid of the handlebars.
What's up?
You got rid of the handlebars, the orange ones, right?
They didn't have orange ones. That's the stock ones. He just got like the shield thing on it, and then he got different grips.
No, but you had orange on your. That's your MT-07, right?
That was my, yeah, the MT-07, yeah.
But it had the orange grips on it.
Oh yeah, he got rid of those, yeah. Chill.
Bad move. Those are cool.
I don't think he does. Hear that idle? I need a tune for it. Yesterday. Ride by real quick and say hi to the kids. This stuff's slippery, so be careful, all this crap. All right, guys, a lot of this footage is from Steven's Insta 360 camera, and then obviously my GoPro. The rest of the footage that I'm going to share, I'm just going to put a highlight, or I'm going to highlight the best footage from his camera and then my GoPro. The most of this ride, I didn't even really talk. I was just enjoying the cruise. So I'm going to put up like a mini compilation of the footage. So yeah, here it is, you guys. So a lot of this footage coming up is just going to be Steven's footage because around this time, I think my GoPro battery died. I only have one battery. I didn't really charge it. I thought I charged it all the way, but I didn't. So we're just going to go ahead and play all the highlighted clips, all the best parts of Steven's Insta 360 video. Enjoy, guys. They want me to lead. You guys got to be spontaneous, man. So that sounds beefier than that one, but they sound similar. I like it. We need another bike on these lines. Up. Ooh, they burning some oil. All right, guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I don't want to make it super long, so with all the footage that Steve gave me, awesome footage. That 360 camera is pretty sick. If you guys liked what you saw, give me a big old thumbs up. You don't have to. Also, think about subscribing. Again, you do not have to subscribe. It does not matter to me. What I do want you guys to do is leave a comment. I will always respond to your guys' comments. I have a surprise, though, and it should be here, I'm hoping tomorrow. I've been tracking it for the past few days, and I'm super excited. So as you guys know, I've got the Triumph, obviously, and then the 85 Rebel, which is fun. Still need to do some more stuff to that. Maybe that will probably be down the road once I start messing with that more. It does run, it does drive or ride. It's perfect. But I want to show you guys something. I got this in the mail yesterday, and today I'm supposed to get the bulk of everything. I literally just went all out. I bought a Nibby Racing carburetor. I bought the filter. I actually still have an intake in all of my parts back here. What else did I get? Handlebars. I got clutch and brake levers. I got lighting, turn signals, sequential with the daytime running lights, front and back brake lights. Trying to think of what else I got. I know I got some other stuff in there. Front sprocket. Yeah, there's some other stuff in there. It's all coming today. But now that I've said what I've got, I guess I'm just going to tell you. I have another Grom clone. It's a Boom Vader or a Vader from Amazon. It's red, and it should be here, I'm hoping, tomorrow. So that's going to be the next vlog. Probably going to have all the guys come over, hang out, and we'll actually put everything on there. Change the oil, tighten everything, and do what we need to, and then get it out on the road. Hopefully that day or night, whenever. So again, hopefully it comes tomorrow. Stick around. That's what's coming up next, guys, is another Chinese bike. That's kind of where I started and came from and how I started my channel. So I'm super pumped to have another 125cc. And the boys, they're getting 125cc bikes or Grom clones if they don't already have one. But yeah, stick around, guys. That's going to be it. I will see you guys in the next video. But remember, stay safe, ride safe, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.